I'm making a quick video on 2009 Mercedes Benz that I'm working on. Just repairing some common issues known for this vehicle in this year. One is the power steering reservoir seal. So there's a seal that goes on to that port right there, with just a rubber seal. I believe I have it right here. Right here. It just gets old and hard. It's a 2009 Mercedes ML350. So it's a very common issue. Fairly easy to replace. You just got to pull the air box off. Try not to break the hose like I did. I'll repair that with some JB Weld and hope for the best. To fix this, I looked it up. It's $89 because you can't replace just the tube that I can find. So another common issue for this year is the passenger seat wobbles. So you can see I've completely removed the seat. It's fairly easy to remove. You just gotta remove. I'll grab these bolts here. These 5 bolts. So the 4 are for the seat. That one bigger one right here, that's for the seat belt. Right here. You gotta remove it from the seat. So if we go actually look at the seat itself, the part that wears out are these bushings right here. So this bushing will break and wear out. So you can buy a kit online. It's actually extremely expensive. It's about 170 bucks. I'm sure you could do some backyard engineering and make something work. The person that I'm working on this vehicle for just told me to buy the kit. You gotta drop this bracket. It's just the 2 bolts right there, and get it out. It's fairly easy. That just gives you room to get the nuts out. The nuts are 10 millimeter. The bolt itself is a 6 millimeter Allen. But yeah, I just wanted to show that to you guys, and I figured I was looking online, they quite didn't get into enough detail. Just showing you exactly what it is. I will also link the part for the seal and the seat repair kit. Thank you.